In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you need to include a supporting document with an invoice, like a work summary, receipt, signed agreement, or any other PDF, QuickBooks Online makes that process very simple. Attaching a file directly to the invoice can help keep everything organized and make it easier for both you and your customer to reference important details later. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're signed in, go to the main dashboard and look for the plus new button. Click that and then select Invoice. This will take you to the invoice screen, where you can either create a brand new invoice or open an existing one that you want to update. If you're creating a new invoice, fill in the invoice details as needed. If you're working with an existing invoice, just open it and review the information already there. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the invoice until you find the attachments section. This is where QuickBooks allows you to add supporting files directly to the transaction. Next, click Attach Files. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop your PDF into the attachment area instead. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever is easier for you. After clicking to attach a file, a window will open so you can browse the files on your computer. Locate the PDF you want to include, select it, and confirm your choice. Once you've selected the file, give QuickBooks a moment to upload it. The upload time may vary slightly depending on the size of the PDF and your internet connection, so just wait until the process is complete. It's a good idea not to move away from the page while the file is uploading. When the upload finishes, review the invoice carefully and confirm that the PDF appears in the attachments section. This is an important step because it helps you make sure the correct file was added before saving anything. If you attach the wrong PDF by mistake, this is the best time to catch it. Finally, click Save if you want to keep the invoice for later, or choose Save and Send if you're ready to email it right away. That's all there is to it. Attaching a PDF to an invoice in QuickBooks Online is a quick way to add context and keep your records complete. Thanks for watching.